There are thousands of ways to make money online, whether you have experience as an entrepreneur or not. 7 ways to make money online as a beginner. Below, we'll cover 7 of the best ways to make money online if you're just starting out and haven't yet found your niche. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. One great way to make money online is to start freelancing. You can offer your services on sites like Fiverr or Upwork and start getting clients right away. Another great thing about freelancing is that you can work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Plus, you get to set your own rates and choose the projects you want to work on. Some of the best ways to make money online are by using skills you already have, such as marketing, graphic design, data entry, and customer service. Here are some resources for making more money online. Digital marketing course, graphic design course, data entry course, customer service course. 2. Selling stuff. One way to make money online is to sell the stuff you already have. If you have clothes, electronics, books, or other items that you no longer need or use, you can list them for sale on sites like eBay, Craigslist, or Amazon. You can also have a garage sale or sell items through consignment. If you're handy with an old sewing machine and some fabric, consider making your own curtains or clothing. With Etsy, you can set up your own shop to sell these items. You'll pay 20 cents to list an item, but then Etsy will take 3.5% of the selling price and 25 cents per transaction from you. The key is just getting started. 3. Buying and selling websites. If you're looking for ways to make money online, one option is to buy and sell websites. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, but it's important to know what you're doing before you get started. Here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Don't expect the website to run itself. You'll need to actively manage your site by promoting it, monitoring the traffic, and addressing any technical issues that arise. 2. Be realistic about how much you'll need to invest upfront and monthly in order to get the site up and running. 3. Research similar sites that have sold so you know what yours should be worth at the time of sale. 4. Participating in focus groups. One way to make money online is by participating in focus groups. Focus groups are basically a group of people who are brought together to give their opinions on a product or service. Companies use focus groups to gather feedback about their products or services before they launch them. You can participate in focus groups either in person or online. In-person focus groups usually pay more, but they can be harder to find. Online focus groups are more convenient, but they usually pay less. Some companies will compensate you with a small gift card for your time and opinion. The other ways to make money online listed here are also very popular with beginners because they're easy to get started with and don't require any special skills. 5. Taking surveys. One way you can make money online is by taking surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay for it. There are a few different companies that offer paid surveys, such as Survey Junkie and Swagbucks. To get started, create an account and start taking surveys. You'll usually earn points or cash that can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. It takes time to amass enough points to redeem them for anything substantial, but if you're able to amass 1,000 points your first month, you'll have earned $10 just for doing what someone asks on the internet. While survey sites like these can be a great place to spend time each day filling out surveys with relative ease and receiving at least something in return, even if it's just monetary, this should not be the only way that people look into making money online. 6. Micro jobs on Fiverr. One way to make money online is by doing micro jobs on Fiverr. This can involve anything from social media promotion to graphic design. Fiverr is a great platform for beginners because it's easy to use and you can start making money right away. Plus, there are always new gigs being posted, so you can continue to make money as you learn and grow your skills. For instance, let's say you post an offer to promote someone else's Instagram account for $5. You may not have the best skills at first, but if they like what you do, they'll give you more offers, which will help increase your customer base and in turn, revenue. 7. Dropshipping. One popular way to make money online is through dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business with little upfront investment, and it's also perfect for beginners who are still learning the ropes of e-commerce.